Welcome, man, to Alphamantraining.com. I hope you hear really well, so say if you hear well or not. Write a comment. I hear you well, everything is okay. So I'm using a microphone, but I don't know it's working through the phone or not, or it's using phone's microphone, we will see. So how we created the Same Day Bang version 2 DVD. One hour student, he contacted us. We were doing boot camp actually, and he was contacting us, and we just talked, and he said, do you Alphamantraining like have a system where girls come like 7 minutes away from apartment and you are able to pull them and have sex? And we asked him why 7 minutes away from apartment. He said, because I don't want to reveal my real address, because I will change girls, so in order to like maintain my secret address. So do you have a system where actually girls come to 7 minutes away from my apartment, I meet them, I pull and I seduce? Like, I really tired go to city center to get numbers. Do you guys have a system where actually I can seduce girls by making them to send their details, like name, last name, email address and other details with photos, including to link to their social profiles? And then I can choose which girl to meet 7 minutes away from my apartment. And we had that system, and we understood what he wanted. We also a little bit shaped that system, and as you see in most photos, we included 3 girls which fucked by using this Same Day Bang system version 2, and 1 girl we included in this product which is fucked by using Same Day Lay version 2 system. And pretty much we think that it will be enough for you to understand those 2 systems, Same Day Lay version 2 system and Same Day Bang version 2 system. This system is for a man. The age doesn't matter. You can be 16 years old, 15 years old, 50 years old, 60, 70 years old. It doesn't matter, because you will change your clothing style, you will look the best as you can, and when you bring those girls, they don't see your passport, they don't see how old are you, they don't see your age. So you can manipulate that age by using clothes, good haircut, other things we explain on DVD. So the system is really powerful. Girls coming 7 minutes away from apartment, you are going to meet them, and you bring to apartment, you use one system, which after that, like, she is starting to do what you want. Like you could see in most photos, like first 3 girls. Go to the link below and click girl 1, watch photos 1. I hear you well, okay, thanks. So you could see like maybe third photo after like first, second, third photo, on third and fourth photo, we are using a system where girls accept what we want to do them in apartment. That's the main thing. That's the main thing of this system. And then our goal is using that system, turn on them for sex and fuck on the same day, no matter what, but to not break the law. As you know, we have been detained by police unlawfully. We won the case, so unlawfully they detained. Our videos showed the real true what happened. So this also system is is based for you to not break a law, but to use any technique, any manipulation system to fuck her on the same day no matter what. Because if you will not fuck her on the same day, she will never come. Where's the rule? If you don't fuck her on that day which you bring here, she will never come back to you. That's the thing. And in that way we using everything, and same you will do as well. You will become very strong with women. You will become expert on how to seduce them on the same day, how to fuck them on the same day, how to create fuck buddy relationship. And this system is amazing because it's combined, that Same Day Bang version 2 DVD is amazing because it's combined with Same Day Bang version 2 system where girls come 7 minutes away. They like fill up forms online, they're sending their details, and you are choosing which one girl, you know, to bring and use that system and fuck. And those girls cannot do nothing because it's nothing against the law. It's based on seduction techniques, on strong manipulation, and it is not against the law. The results are incredible. Just look what sexy girls we are. Look, those 3 girls which we fucked. They look, you know, we would say from 8 to 10 point, you know, in terms of beauty. So they're very beautiful, and you will move to that success. Of course, those girls for being your wife, because most bit, how to say, they actually for being a wife, because you know they are beautiful, and they're exploring the world. You know, they're trying, you know, new things, new activities. They want something new. And if you want a long-term relationship or wife, that product maybe would not be the best, but the part 2 of that product, where we train Same Day Lay version 2, which is a so welcome back. A bit, you know, disconnected. So the part 2 of that program can bring you a wife, for example, a long-term relationship girl, because a lot of good girls for long-term relationship are in public transport. They are students, they are driving to universities, to shopping malls, to shop new clothes. We're walking through the street, they are in groceries, and your ability to screen here to see is she Same Day Lay type of girl or not, this is the main thing in 2020, 2021, because if you will get her number 80%, 85%, that she will not respond you back, she will not send you message. And the key to become very powerful seducer, and you will become that one, is to concentrate yourself on becoming expert on how to make Same Day Lays. Same Day Lays changed the game. Same night lays, the ability to seduce her on the same day, the ability to actually to read her face, read her how she is dressing, her clothes, reading before approaching. What is her goal? How much minutes she has now is key for you to actually to determine, will you make Same Day Lay with her or not, to leave here or not, to seduce here or not, to make Same Day Lay or not. And on part 2, the girl fourth product, Same Day Bang version 2 DVD, you go on to girl fourth, you could see, you could see we approached a girl in the bus and we made Same Day Lay in 1 hour. Later on, that girl became sex buddy for us, for example, going to nightclubs. She's having husband and kids, and she's dating us. So she actually, you know, we secretly schedule the dates. For example, she she's telling to her husband that she's going with female friends till 1 a.m. morning, 1:30 a.m. morning, and she will come. What she's doing, she's meeting us and fucking us, and that's the results you will achieve as well. If our students achieved those results, so you will achieve that as well. If someone did that, why you could not do that? You can do that, and you will do that no matter what. So we think this product is very good mixed. This is amazing system for you to train your apartment seduction skills and same day lay skills. So invest into that product. Don't wait because the time is everything. You're losing years. You're getting older and older, and you're losing the beauty of your body. You're losing the ability to have knowledge which will turn to new skills, to be able to fuck beautiful girls, to actually meet them and become very good in seduction, and you will become that one. We are 100% sure. If you will not understand something, you will contact over we will talk over the Skype. You will ask questions because you have 1 hour to ask questions. You have 1 Skype hour to ask questions from the product. And do not wait, invest, and amazing results waiting. Now I'm driving to a girl which lives 60 miles away from my place. I made same day lay. Like she came with her female friend. She was on a bus. I wanted to pick up food, you know. I went to groceries, picked up some food, had 2 bags in my hands, and was not comfy for me to approach girls. I used technique like didn't say any words, seduce here over the AMT systems which I used. She gave me her phone. Here actually female friend encouraged her, like her female friend like dictated, you know. She said her phone because that my girl didn't remember her phone number. And those 2 girls, they came 50 miles away to my city where I live, and they went to just shopping malls because they are bored in their city because it's a small city where we live. So they came to my city where I live, and I seduced them. I got her number. Then, you know, I went with them to shopping mall, danced with them, seduced, bring them home together. On the same day, I fucked that my target. Didn't fuck her female friend. She wanted, but I didn't want. And yeah, now I'm driving to that my girls where she lives now, and we will spend amazing time. So if my students did, why you can't do? You can do, and you will do that. You will go through streets. You will be in public transport, in shopping malls, in groceries. You will see most beautiful girls, and your mind, after you will watch Same Day Bang version 2 DVD, will calculate how much minutes you will need to seduce here to get laid, and then you will get the answer: make same day lay or quit, leave here. Because that moment when you will approach here, you are losing the moment to approach another girl with whom you can get laid on the same day. So we will concentrate on that product, to that skill, to train you how to cold read a girl from a distance. You don't know here, but you read here from a distance, and you determine, can you make same day lay or not? Because nowadays you need to seduce here on the same day. You need to fuck her on the same day. Because if you will get just her number, 80% that she will not respond you back. She will not meet you because she's coming back. she's getting a lot of messages from other guys. She's you know, having things to do in her life. She's beautiful. She wants to achieve something in career. She goes to jobs interviews. She doesn't have time for you to respond to that message, to go to date with you. But what she has in that moment when you approach her, she has the time to talk to you, and she already attracted to you. And if you do the right systems, you can fuck her on the same day, and that's what we will train you in that same day bank version 2 product. So don't wait, invest. We are waiting you on our customer list. And until next time, see you. It was alphamantraining.com. Make sure you like our Alphaman Training Facebook page, AMT Live page, YouTube Alphaman Training 2, Dancer, Night Game, Infield videos, and our channel. So see you until next time.